everyone, welcome back to my channel. This East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle, and today I am showing you the brand new Love From Lizi card kit, and this one starts, I believe, March 19th and goes until April 18th or something like that. That's kind of how she does her months, so they cover kind of 2 months, and it is a subscription, but if there's leftovers, or she might just have extras, I'm pretty sure you can purchase one-offs of the kits. But subscribing is better because I'm not sure if there's a chance of like running out and you may not be able to get it. So I wanted to show you what this kit is. And she sent me a lot of extras too, so let me take those out of the box, and I want to show you the actual kit first, and then I'll show you some of the extras that I got. So your kits always come sealed, these big Ziplocs. And this is a nautical themed kit, and she usually calls it whatever the paper pad is called. So Sleepy Seas is the name of the paper pad. All right. So let's see here. First off, she always gives you cardstock that matches. So we have a royal blue, a sky blue, kind of a slate gray, and there are one sheet of the white, which is great for alcohol coloring. Whatever quality paper she buys in the white, she said it's perfect for alcohol coloring. Alcohol markers, and then there's a cream, okay? And it's thick. This is thick paper. This is not thin. Here is your stamp set. So you really have this adorable little whale and your little swoosh of water and a sailboat. Sending calm across the waves, let worries drift, sending all my love across the ocean, adrift but not alone, smooth sailing sweet friend. So those are your sentiments. And then she has included this little tool with the stars, which could be great if you want to do a shaker card. There's a nice size piece of that. She always has pretty much some type of sticker element. So these are little dots that you could use to decorate with in the royal blue color. Sometimes she does those little strippy pieces. So you have that. There is this gold glitter cardstock. And this is like, it's plastic, but it almost is kind of like ribbon in a way. And that's a really pretty gold to go with your nautical theme. Oh, and here's the star, another star one. So you have 2 strips of this to decorate your cards with. You also have a piece of this clear acetate. This is actually really thick. So again, a shaker card could work with this very easily. Your little mesh tool could be a fun little bow on your card. There's a lot of options for you there. And this is enough. You could do 2 shaker cards because you could cut that in half. Okay, and then you also get these little seals. These are stickers, like gold seals, that have the anchor on them with a little rope, so very nautical. Let's look at the paper. Sleepy Seas is the name of the card, the paper kit pack. So we have this really pretty ocean with the gold and the blue. All of her paper is single-sided. It's 6 by 6. Got some stars. Look at those clouds with the rain. That's very cute in the striped background. I love that. There's a night sky. Stars on. It almost looks like a marbling effect in the background. And then some more stripes. So a lot of stars. Definitely a really great theme that you could utilize. And this is a smaller ocean pattern. Got the grid on your night sky. And then there's like a marbling with a splatter of gold. You've got anchors. And you've got like, it looks like a little crossword puzzle on a marbling effect. So it's really pretty paper. And then you have your ephemera. And she always gives you lots of ephemera. So if you're not someone who really stamps very much and you want to make your cards, you can use this ephemera. Or if you're someone who makes mini albums, photo albums, then this ephemera is perfect. So we've got really pretty florals plus some words. Oh, and that moon. Look at that moon. That's pretty. So more words. This is like a plant life. There's a lot of little bits that are like starfish or just stars. And little plants, seashells. Look at these flowers. I love that. That's pretty. Here's a stingray. Look at that. Wow. There's another plant. Clouds with your moon. There's some little like flowers and seashells here. There's your cloud. These little flowers are really cute. Here is your sailboat. And look at this. I love that floral. And then I like the blue. I think the blue is just so pretty. And that, look at that whale. That is adorable. There's another whale. You have a lot of images. They're all really well sized to use on cards, I think. Oh, look at that. So you could definitely do that. But also if you're someone who does mini albums, it'd be easy to use these as well. Look at that. That's beautiful. So that's your ephemera. And then you always get this little goodie bag full of surprises in her kits. And you always get some type of dies. So let's see what we got here for dies. So we have an anchor and like the steering wheel of a boat, which I think you could have a lot of fun cutting the anchor out of metallic paper. Okay, so we've got that. And then she also gave us, look at this, we've got some wire, which is actually like a royal metallic blue wire. We've got these fun stars and another star ribbon. We have our little gems. She kind of always seems to include gems. These are kind of like a, really like a champagne color. And for our shaker cards, we've got these fun little star sequins. And we've also got these little beads. These kind of look like, they're like almost like little rocks like sand. And then, oh, look at these. These are clouds and stars, and they have glitter in them. I'm going to bring them up a little closer. They have glitter, and they're actually flat backed, which is great because if you're going to glue that onto your card or your mini album, you want that to be flat. Okay, and they've got glitter in them, so that's cute. And then you also have these. So this right here is a collection of like, these are like a gem, star gem. You also have black bows in here, and then these wood stars, which with the wood, what's nice about that, it has a hole, so it's like a bead. You could thread it through, but also you could probably paint these because they're wood. So that's cool. And then what is this? Let me pull this out. Oh, and you've got, look at that little star on a chain. So really, I mean, if you want to make a journal or a mini album, you could totally use that to kind of have on a bookmark. That would be really cool. And you've got a couple of those. And you also have some tiny, tiny little brads in here too. Wow. Let's see. So there's your bows. Gotta love a pre-tied bow so you don't have to mess with that. There's all your gems, and then look at these little brads right here. So brads are really great to do any type of movement on your card. They can help, you know, like spin, do things like that can be really cool. So you have like a little active card there. Okay, so that's everything that's going to come in your actual kit. Now there are always pieces that you can add on to your kit to, you know, make more. And she sent me some of those. So let me see here. We do have our strips. These are her peel-off stickers, and these are the stripes that she does for every kit. She has a lot of these in different colors. So that is available. And then this one also comes with stars and diamonds. Actually, 2 different stars, diamonds, and then some strips. So you can add these on for your kit. And then there's also this paper pack. And I noticed she does frequently do a paper pack. That's a lot of fun things to go with it. So look at this royal blue metallic cardstock. Really pretty. This is like a graphite glitter. That anchor out of this would be so cool. And here's the gold and like a copper color in both glitter and the mirrored. And then a royal blue in the glitter. So that's really pretty. And then there's also a whole nother paper pack. It's called Drift Away. And this will be available as well. And this is a 6x6, and it is 12 sheets and coordinates with the other pack. So look at that. All this blue and gold. And look, that's like a cityscape right there. So pretty. So if you love a nautical theme, which nautical theme is great for summer, and it's also really great for masculine cards, this could be totally worth it to pick up the extra paper pack so you can make more cards with the collection. And then also, because I'm on the design team, she allows each of the members to pick out some extra goodies that they can utilize in making their cards. And so I usually go for dies. That's kind of my thing. And I picked out this time let me open this up. This is called the Winter Retreat Branch. Okay, so, and it actually cuts really thin, so the leaves will be hollow, which you could fill in with another color if you want, or you can just do the outline. So I picked that out, and I picked out, these are called the doily layering dies, and I haven't cut these apart yet. When you get these, you will cut them apart, and that will give you 3 doilies in 3 different sizes. And then lastly, I ordered the lattice border dies. Which I think are great because this whole little like wavy one will look so cool as like a wave on a card. And then we've got the straight one. So I ordered those as well to go with my kit. All right, so this is available. So you can check it out at lovefromlizi.com, and she ships like worldwide. She will have special prices on shipping for so many different countries. You can just go through her list and find your country and see what your price will be for your kit and for shipping. So definitely check that out. But super pretty kit. I am just loving the blue with the gold accents. I just think that is so pretty. And I could totally see making a whole bunch of masculine cards and maybe like just putting happy birthday on them or happy Father's Day. Like just get stuff pre-done. for the year, but definitely you could use this for anything. So, all right, I hope you enjoyed this. I will have a link down below, which will be an affiliate link to Love From Lizi, so you can check that out and see what she has. She has, besides the kits, she has lots of other things too. She has dies and stamps and all kinds of stuff, and a lot of things that are in the kit become part of her regular line. So if you didn't want the whole kit, but you wanted a stamp set at some point in the future, that stamp set could become available. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see what I make with these goodies, definitely subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.